Heshimiwa Babu Owino talked about. It's one of the most troubling issue in our country. And as much as we are in the universities, our parents are proud of us, but what is the aftermath? We go to school, we get to graduate, we get our degrees, but at the end of it, we get to become business people. Like, there's this girl in TikTok, she calls herself Mama Mboga, and she has a degree that can get her work. So opportunities are closed for us. We don't have representation. And concerning about education, we are a public university. And sometimes we don't get all the social provision from our schools. And all they can say is they are not getting enough funding. And we are looking up to the government. We are not being catered for education-wise because the government is not there for us, is not giving us a position so that we can also grow and become people like them. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Let's hear from Juliet.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Juliet Osundwa. I'm the national chairperson of the ODM Young Captains. It is a caucus within the ODM Women League. So what I can say is that the government failed to meet its deadline. And when I heard what they were talking about yesterday, that the 10-point agenda is on track, I was shocked. I was surprised because everything has not been met. When you look at the cost of living, it's still high. We, the young women, we are affected. There is still unemployment. When you look at the human rights and security, the victims of June 2024, we were on streets with them. The justice has not been met. Justice delayed is justice denied, right? So I want to say that they have really messed with us, and the report we are having here, the report from the people, we are the people, and we are telling a different story. So another thing I would like to talk about, the other day I heard Senator being criticized that the team doesn't have women, and as a young woman, I heard him saying that he's protecting us from the tear gas and the chaos in the rallies. What I want to say is that we don't need protection. Yeah, so we want to be involved. Much.
Asante sana. I think the young women have been fantastic. What I was speaking about was the women leaders in parliament. That's why I was telling you, you can see the front row here is a bit heavy on suits. Let's hear from Abby here, and then